Most of the tasks and projects in any company have various person who report to various people. People have incident managers, project managers, scrum masters, and lot of other titles. But it is always hard when it comes to get a holistic view of a project or a task. That is where I am always a big fan of this Apple launched concept, directly responsible individuals. On a particular project, the person who is directly responsible is solely held accountable for the project success or failure. This DRI or directly responsible individual could be a technical person or he could be a project manager or a scrum master. But the idea is that he won't be focused on a single aspect of the project, rather, he will be responsible for the whole project, whether it is technical aspect or it is a non-technical perspective. This is really helpful when it comes to clarifying the responsibility that whenever some external stakeholder or vendor wants to talk to anyone related to project, he would not be confused as who to talk to. He would just go to that focal person or DRI. It also gives sense of achievement and sense of ownership to people, which makes a huge difference. And it also, of course, streamlines the decision making process because if something gets stuck, DRI would be should be and would be able to get it moving. So I would say that team players are very good, but we still need a DRI to steer that team in the right direction. And this comes very important when companies are going about launching their AI projects and with the usage of LLMs, because they need one focal person to make sure that they are using the AI in the right way. I hope that you found it interesting. If you're already using DRI or something like that in your company, please share your experience in the comments. Thank you.